Hey everyone, Sergio with the Rideshare Guy. This is Sergio's diaries, but it's a different one this time. So I'm going to need your help. So I've been part of the Show Me the Money Club for the last 3.5 years. We grew the Rideshare Guy channel by over 100% during this time. I have a belief, and that is if you build it, they will come. Why do hundreds of people and thousands of people watch us every Tuesday? It's because we created a community. We built a community, and every day we're getting stronger. Now, on this occasion, I'm going to need your help. I need everybody's help. I need everybody to come together, including the negative Nellies who may say, oh, nothing is going to happen. Nothing ever good happens with Uber and Lyft. That's fine. But this one, please, let's come together and let's make this happen. So, I wrote an open letter to the CEOs of Uber and Lyft, and I created a petition. The petition is on change.org. The link is in the show notes. We already put it on our community page. All it takes is collecting signatures. If you're part of social media, if you have part of Facebook groups or Reddit groups or up.net, please share the petition. It is of utmost importance that we collect as many signatures as possible. In a minute, I'm going to read you guys the open letter word for word. If you don't agree with it, it's okay. Disagreement is part of life. However, not doing anything about the situation that you're in is not acceptable. Laying down and taking these fare cuts year after year with soaring inflation is unacceptable. So this petition must be signed by hundreds of thousands of drivers all over the US and around the globe. So that is why I need your help. I need all hands on deck. Share it, sign it, talk about it, do the best you can. Because each signature means something. Each signature is a voice amplified. We have the platform. We are trying to do so. So please, help us do it. Help us get to the finish line. Here's the letter that I'm going to read word for word. Okay? Open letter to the CEOs of Uber and Lyft. Dear Dara Khosrowshahi and David Risher, as both Uber and Lyft celebrate increasing stock prices, expanding profitability, and billions in investor returns, there is no better moment to recognize the people who made that success possible. Your drivers. Every trip, every passenger, and every milestone your companies have achieved has been powered by millions of individuals who kept the wheels turning through pandemics, inflation, and shifting market forces. Drivers absorbed rising gas prices, maintenance costs, and declining earnings, all while keeping your platforms alive and growing. Now, Uber shares are at all-time highs, while buying back billions of dollars of stock and investing heavily in new ventures and autonomous vehicle partnerships. Lyft has stabilized. Its shares have doubled in a year. That's all good news for your investors. But there is one key group that has yet to feel the benefits of this success: the people behind the wheel. Surely a fraction of that could be directed back to the drivers who made these milestones possible. Imagine the impact, not just financially, but symbolically, of announcing a $1 billion thank you bonus to be distributed to active drivers in the US and worldwide. It is not charity, it is recognition. It's an acknowledgement that real people created real value, and without drivers' blood, sweat, and tears, Uber would not be an S&P 500 company with an astounding $250 billion market capitalization. The same spirit that led Uber and Lyft to share rewards with drivers when they went public could once again send a clear message. We see you. We value you. We succeed together. Let's share the wealth. With autonomous vehicles on the horizon and the industry evolving, now is the moment to rebuild trust, strengthen loyalty, and ensure that drivers feel like true partners in the future of mobility, not just temporary labor with technology while technology catches up. Your companies are in a rare position of strength. Use this moment not just to reward shareholders, but to honor the drivers that carried you here. Without drivers, there is no Uber or Lyft. In Uber's case, $1 billion invested in gratitude would return tenfold in goodwill, retention, and brand legacy. Sincerely, signed by the drivers who built the rideshare economy and the millions who still make it move every day. So folks, this is the open letter. You may agree or you may disagree with it. However, this is one time that we need to come together. This is one time that we need to collect hundreds of thousands of signatures. This is one time we need to leave the negative attitude at the door. This is one time where grassroots action will result in our benefit. So, all that said, you guys can join us obviously on Tuesday, Show Me the Money Club, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. But please circulate this petition. The link is in the show notes. It's on our community page. Please share it on Facebook groups that you're involved in, or up.net or Reddit groups. It is of utmost importance that we collect as many signatures as possible. There are approximately 5 million rideshare drivers in the country. Well, how about we reach out to all of them? How about we give them a voice? How about we come together as a community and show Uber and Lyft that we are a force to be dealt with, as opposed to laying down and accepting everything thrown our way. So with that said, I thank you for your time. Please help me out on this and share. More importantly, right away, go sign the petition and circulate it. It is one of the most important things we will be able to accomplish in 2025. Thank you for your time. Stay healthy and be safe out there.